up, SpeedDocs Nation? It's your boy, Dr. O. On the way to the Jaguar dealership. You see I got the Jaguar gear on. The Icebox challenge that Mother Nature hit us with messed up the Jag, man. I hate to say it, but we're having some technical difficulties in the Jaguar. So we'll get into that a little bit, but to sum it up, man, my sunroof is malfunctioning, man. So I'm gonna show y'all the details on that when we get to the dealership. Other than that, though, man, you know, had a little pipe outage, a little power outage like everybody else, but we made it through that. I hope everybody else did well with that too. So what are we gonna talk about today, man? We need to talk about these haters. So today's episode is for y'all, man.
Over there.
Got y'all saying some illogical stuff, man. Y'all probably got somebody in your circle right now that you could be cooperating with. Instead, you hating on them, trying to compete. It's enough money out there for everybody who wants it, man. Y'all don't need to compete with each other. You don't need to hate on the next man. You shouldn't be trying to count anybody's pockets, tear anybody down. We're trying to give y'all a free game so you can get your money up. Trying to get that financial freedom. Trying to live your best life, man. We're trying to get everybody to that level. There's enough money for everybody. Everybody can be successful. And no matter how much money you're making, if you spend all your money, then you're not going to have any money. So everybody's got to learn how to budget. Everybody's got to learn how to be financially responsible. Everybody's got to learn how to invest. You cannot spend all your money. You got to learn how to save, how to invest, how to plan for retirement. Because you already know what's coming. If you don't have money for retirement, then you work every day until you meet the maker. All right. About to roll up to the Jaguar dealership, get some of these malfunctions addressed and corrected. Man, it can't be easy being a hater, man. I mean, I read some of these comments y'all be making, talking about that jewelry must be used, the gold is used, the diamonds are used. I'm like, gold is gold. Gold doesn't go down in value, so I mean, doesn't matter how old or new the gold is, it's gold. We'll be heading downtown, man. We actually got a little collab going on with Rec Shop Records, D-Rec, and the Hustleaholic podcast. So I'm gonna head down there, chop it up. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, man. It's gonna be top level. All right, let's show you guys what's going on here at the Jaguar dealership. This is all. Yeah. But also, so it's the moonroof, the cover just won't close. Yeah, it's crazy. So that part works. Open and close is fine. But the sunshade doesn't work, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. Vehicles break down, shit happens. So we're gonna show y'all some of the negativity of having these luxury cars, man. We'll see how much it's gonna cost to get that fixed.